This is how to disassemble the lever dripper. Okay, first take out the switch, the slide button, and take out the lever. And there's a gasket, and there's a small pinch. This is how to disassemble it. Alright, and now I'll show you how to reassemble it. So first put the button part and the pan spring. Remember the lower side shows goes forward toward the dripper side like this, and put the gasket into the lever and put it back in where it was, and put the slide button, the top, from one point to another. Just press it down. Done.